Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making some amazing southern green beans with potatoes and chicken. This is absolutely amazing and super delicious. If you guys are here for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So these are the list of the ingredients that we will be using, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So here I'm seasoning my chicken with my amazing green seasoning. The link for that will be in the description box. Everything else that I'm using here will also be in the description box. Or if you don't have the green seasoning, you can season the chicken to your likeness. So we are going to preheat a pan with some grapeseed oil, and we are going to cook this chicken for about 7 to 8 minutes. Add some green onions and some sun-dried tomato as well, and I'm going to remove. To the very pan, I'm going to add a little bit more oil, some onions, garlic, and we are going to add the diced potatoes, some multicolored bell pepper. Now these are optional. Give that a good stir. Add some black pepper. I cover for about 2 minutes, then I remove and add just a little bit of water. So I'm testing the potatoes to see their texture, and after about 10 to 15 minutes this looks amazing. Then I'm going to re-add the chicken here. So this green beans, guys, is all about good flavor. So now we're going to add our green beans. I do not like mushy potatoes and beans, so I'm trying to keep the integrity of the beans. A little bit of crunch, but yet tender and super flavorful. So I did add 1 cup of stock, chicken stock. You can use whatever stock you want or just plain water. After about 20 minutes, I constantly keep stirring, and this is what it looks like. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. And I'm testing my potatoes. You can see they're still intact, and it is super tender now. The gravy is amazing. The beans is super flavorful. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. And my secret ingredient is a little bit of sugar. Makes everything taste better, right? Yep, it is super delicious. And there it is, guys, our amazing southern green beans with potatoes and chicken. Again, if you guys are new here for the first time, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. All right, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye bye. Love you guys.